Everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss that how we can integrate REST APIs in our PHPList project. As you know that PHPList is an open source software for newsletter manager by which we can send bulk of emails for marketing purpose. So in PHPList we can use REST APIs for the use of with third party. Like if we want to use our PHP list project data with an external or third party software, so for this we need to use REST APIs of PHP list. Let me go to the PHP list git repo. Yeah. This is a git repo of PHP list. In this tutorial we will talk about only on latest version, which is a version 4 of REST APIs. This is a version 4 of REST API. Okay, so if we want to use the REST APIs in our existing PHP list project, so we just need to create the REST API git by using the composer. Yeah, this one. Just we will use the composer and write the command composer required, and next we will add the php list /rest dash api. It will automatically install the REST API files in our existing PHP list project. Okay, so now we can discuss the expose endpoint of the PHP list REST API. Please remember that we are talking about the PHP list REST API version 4, not PHP list REST API version 3. Okay, so let me go to the demo collections of PHP list version 4. Here is the demo collection of the PHP list version 4. These are the endpoints which are exposed by PHP list in REST API version 4. First of all, here is a create session API by which we can generate an authenticated token which we will use in all other APIs for authenticated purpose. Okay, create session just need a two parameters. It is a login and next is the password. This is the web version of Postman. In the end of the video I will show you the desktop version of Postman, and will show that how these APIs work. Okay, so here is the login name. This is an admin login name by which you can access the admin panel of your PHP list software. Next is the password of your admin. After that, this API hit, this will generate an token, and this token will use to access the other APIs like guest list, add subscriber, get all list subscriber, and guest list info. Okay, so one by one we will discuss these all APIs. So for now we will discuss get list. Get list API basically used the all list of the PHP list database which are exist in our database. Okay, for this we just use yeah, here is the staging PHP list API soap. These are using soap in curl, but Postman may not use soap. Postman will use the curl. Okay, here is the auth basic auth password. One thing remember that each API will use the basic auth for authentication purpose. Okay, so for authentication purpose we just need to use username, and second is the password. This password will be the token which we generated by this API create session API. Okay, after that we will go to the add subscriber. This is the API by which we can add the subscriber. Here is the body data of the subscriber is the email, confirm, blacklist, HTML email, disabled email, etc. Okay, and next is the uh, get all list subscriber. This API will retrieve the all list subscribers which of the PHP list. Like here is the path of this API, and you can see here one thing more. Here you can see that this API will work like this. Your basic URL of your PHP list project, and then your slash API, then version 2, and then we will call the further API. Like here is the get all list subscribers, mean that the subscriber of this specific PHP list we will get by this API. Like here is the list, and number 2 is the list ID, and last one is the members. Okay, so this API will retrieve all the members of the PHP list which have the ID 2. Okay, last one is the get list info. Get list info mean that we can get the information about the list of the specific ID. Okay, for example, here is the list, and last one is we just gave the ID of the specific list, and after that it will show us the list detail. Let me show you in Postman. uh, Here is the Postman. Like this is the uh, base path of my project. Yeah, this one. Okay, here is the base part. Next is the session, and for the session I use the username and password like this, and after that he gave me a token. Okay, and then I will use this token in uh, further APIs. Like if I want to access these subscriber, like get list, add subscriber, get all list subscriber, get list info, so we can use this API.